Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It is spooky season here and that means only one thing. We gotta get ourselves a pumpkin. Which size? Which pumpkin? Which pumpkin? Bigger than my head? Okay, pumpkin secure, and one of the cool things about this pumpkin patch is they have a corn maze, so I'm gonna do that right now. Thank you. And we made it through the corn maze. Thank you so much for joining me today on our lovely day trip to the pumpkin patch. My little contribution to this year's Halloween season. And here's a little tip. You could turn those pumpkin seeds into roasted pumpkin seeds. So that's what I did. It was delicious. It's a good snack and pretty healthy too, I believe. If you are celebrating Halloween this Halloween season, I hope you have a good and safe time. And definitely I hope you get a lot of treats out there. And with that, we will end it here. If you do like this video and want to see more just like it, do give this one a thumbs up and subscribe, as I definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.